we're going to explain how to fix the dreaded no such module Flutter error on iOS. This frustrating problem usually pops up during development, preventing your app from building. Let's tackle it step by step. 1. Check your pod file. This file, located in your iOS folder, lists all the third-party libraries your project uses. Make sure it accurately reflects all the packages you've added in your write single quote pubspec.yaml write single quote file. Any discrepancies can cause this error. Double-check spelling. Ensure the versions match and verify that all paths are correct. If you recently added or updated a package, carefully review this section for mistakes. 2. Run Flutter clean. This command removes any cached build artifacts that might be conflicting with your current project setup. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted files cause the build system to get confused. This is a quick and easy troubleshooting step that often resolves minor issues. After running this, try building your app again. 3. Run pod install. This command is crucial and often overlooked. It installs the CocoaPods dependencies listed in your pod file. After modifying your pod file, step 1, you must run pod install in your iOS folder from the terminal. This ensures that Xcode has access to all the necessary libraries for compilation. Failure to do so is a common cause of the no such module error. 4. Check your Xcode project settings. Navigate to your Xcode project and ensure that the correct platform and architectures are selected for your project. Inconsistency here can lead to build errors. Double-check your project settings carefully, comparing them to any online tutorials or documentation related to your specific project structure or dependencies. 5. Clean the Xcode build folder. Xcode, like Flutter, can cache files. Cleaning this cache is another potential fix. In Xcode, go to Product Clean Build folder. This removes any lingering build products that might be conflicting with your current build process. 6. Restart Xcode and your computer. Sometimes, the simplest solutions work best. A simple restart often clears temporary files or processes interfering with your build. 7. Verify your package versions. Inconsistent or conflicting package versions can lead to build errors. Check your write single quote pubspec.yaml write single quote file for version numbers and consider updating or downgrading packages as needed to resolve compatibility issues. Consider using consistent version ranges for your dependencies for predictable builds. 8. Check for typos. Double-check everything for typos. Even a small error in a package name or path can prevent the build process. 9. Update your Flutter SDK and Xcode. Make sure you have the latest versions of both Flutter and Xcode. Older versions can have bugs or incompatibility issues. Updating to the latest versions often addresses previously unresolved problems. 10. Check for errors in your code. Sometimes, the error message is a red herring, and the actual problem lies elsewhere in your code. A thorough code review might reveal underlying issues preventing your project from building. If all else fails, meticulously review your code for any syntax errors or logical inconsistencies. Following these steps should help you resolve the no such module error in your Flutter iOS project. Remember to run Flutter pubget after making changes to your write single quote pubspec.yaml write single quote file to ensure your dependencies are